Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of requesting a Lyft ride, ensuring a quick pickup experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Lyft app. First, you need to download the Lyft app. It is available for free on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 2. Create an account or log in. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account by entering your email address, phone number, and payment information. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Step 3. Allow location access. To ensure a smooth pickup, allow the app to access your location. This will help the driver find you easily and ensure accurate fare estimates. Step 4. Set your pickup location. The app will automatically suggest your current location, but you can manually set it by tapping on the pickup location bar. You can enter an address or select a spot on the map. Step 5. Choose your ride. Type. After setting your pickup location, you'll see different ride options available, such as Lyft, Lyft XL, Lux, and Lux Black. Choose the ride type that suits your needs. Step 6. Set your destination. In the destination bar, enter where you want to go. This helps both you and the driver know the route and fare estimate before starting the trip. Step 7. Request your ride. Once everything is set, tap the Request Lyft button. The app will find a nearby driver and send you a notification when one is on their way. Step 8. Wait for your driver. You will see the driver's information, including their name, vehicle model, and license plate number. While waiting, keep an eye on the estimated arrival time. Step 9. Get ready for your pickup. As your driver approaches, make sure you're at the designated pickup spot. Stay alert to easily find your driver when they arrive. Step 10. Enjoy your ride. Once you're in the car, buckle up and enjoy your ride. You can share your trip details with friends or family for safety. Don't forget to rate your driver at the end of your trip and leave feedback if you'd like. Thank you for following this guide on how to request a Lyft ride for a quick pickup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides.